for some reason. How much do you say to the police officer? Hi, I'm attorney Paul Whalen from Afford Law. The most important thing to remember when interacting with a police officer is you have the right to remain silent. That right isn't only when you're in custody, when you're in the jail or the back of a police car. You don't need to speak to the police officer at a traffic stop. You need to give him or her your license, registration, proof of insurance, and that's it. You don't have to engage in conversation. They will try to engage in conversation with you to see if there's anything else going on besides whatever the reason was for the motor vehicle stop. If it's just a motor vehicle stop for, let's say, something wrong with your car, as far as no tail light or a license plate light or whatever that might be, they can only hold you there as long enough to deal with that particular situation, and then they must release you or place you in custody, or you are placed in custody. And To prolong that with any interaction with the police is not allowed. And you don't want to do that because pulled over for a motor vehicle infraction, and as the officer's talking to you, he or she smells alcohol on your breath. Now they're looking to see if you're under the influence and possibly operating under the influence. You don't need to talk to them. They're trained to engage you in conversation, to ask questions such as, where are you coming from? Where were you going to? How much did you have to drink tonight? Did you have anything to eat with the drinks? And so forth. You don't need to answer any of those questions. Just give them the information, the documents that you have, politely say that you're not making any comments. And if they're going to hold you, they'll have to base it on something other than your statements. So that's the best piece of advice I can give you. The right to remain silent is always in place, and you do not have to speak to the police officer at all. If you have any questions, please feel free to book a free virtual appointment with me. I'd be happy to answer any questions you might have about criminal law or family law matters in Massachusetts. At Afford Law, we're making justice affordable. Thank you.